Hey guys, what is going on? PokeNick here. And today I'm going to be opening up some brand new products for you. We got two Paldean Fate booster bundles. And we also got the Mabosstiff EX collection box. Alright, let's get started. So first thing we're going to be opening up is the brand new Paldean Fates booster bundles. These are essentially kind of like mini booster boxes, but they only come with 6 packs. So if you're looking for just booster packs, I'd recommend picking these up, because all it is just 6 booster packs from Paldean Fates. And they're $27 each at retail, which is pretty good. Let's get started. First pack. Code card. 2 from the back. We got Shiny Arbolive. Nice. First hit. We got Fanfi and Execute. These came out a couple weeks ago. Back on the 23rd, I believe. And they retail for $27, which isn't too bad for 6 packs. Especially for a special set, that's pretty good. We got Shiny Gloomore. Nice. Palmy. And Raichu. Nice. 2 hits right there. Code card. Grass Energy. 3 from the back. We got Gimme Ghoul, Noibat, and Xatu. Shiny Charmander, yes. That's a good one. Reverse Dene and Annihilate. That's a good card. I'm happy I pulled that. Code card. Steel Energy. 3 from the back. We got Reverse Rare Candy, Maractus, and Charizard EX. Reprint from Obsidian Flames, but pretty good card. So far, not bad for the hits. Water. 3 from the back. Ultra Ball, Execute, Heat Rotom. There's the code card. Dark Energy. 3 from the back. We got Paldean Students, Palafin, and Annihilate. Overall, so far we're doing pretty good. We got 6 hits. Three from the back. Shiny Lechonk. Oh, that's a cool one. Reverse Pikachu and Heat Rotom. Gravelock, Mimikyu, and Professor's Research. Code card. Let's go Fighting Energy. Psychic. 3 from the back. We got Oink Alone, Fanfi, and Fortress EX. Second to last. Code card. Water Energy. 3 from the back. We got Shiny Mew. Yes, dude. That's a good card. Oh, I'm happy I pulled that. Come on. There we go. Looks good. We got Gimme Ghoul and Cyclizar. Overall, not bad. We got a lot of good hits. Especially these two right here. Charmander and Mew. My two favorites. Alright, let's move on and... Oh wait, I got one more. Here. One more pack. Code card. Fighting Energy. Steel. 3 from the back. We got Shiny Kilowattrel, Noibat, and Magmortar. Okay. Alright, so we got about 10 hits out of 2 booster bundles, which is actually pretty good. Seems a lot better than Crown Zenith in my opinion. But we don't know for sure. Alright, let's move on to the Mabosstiff EX box. So the Mabosstiff EX box comes with 2 cards and a jumbo. We got a Mabosstiff from Paldean Evolved. Just a reprint with the sparkly edges. And then we got Mabosstiff EX, which is a promo card. And of course you get the jumbo. And you get 4 packs. 2 Paradox Rift of the City Flames and a Scarlet and Violet. Let's see what we can pull. Code card. Psychic Energy. 3 from the back. Iron Moth, Lil Kicks, and Porygon. Fire Energy, Grass. 3 from the back. We got Gliscopod, Tinkaton, and Wo-Chan. Code card, Electric Energy, 3 from the back. Bronzong, Baltoy, and Thundurus. Last one. Code card, Psychic Energy. Yes. 3 from the back. Driftwind, Rare Candy, and Hollow River Room. Alright. No pulls out of that, which is pretty terrible. I don't know why. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all on the next one.